Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DigitalOcean for Droplets and Apps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the DigitalOcean website by entering www.digitalocean.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and create a strong password. After that, click the Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. Check your email inbox for a verification email from DigitalOcean. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the DigitalOcean website and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will see a welcome screen prompting you to select a payment method. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Enter your billing information as required. After entering your details, click the Add Payment Method button. Now, navigate to the Create button found in the top menu. Hover over the Create button and select Droplets from the drop-down menu. You will be presented with various configurations for your droplet. Select the operating system you want to use for your droplet. Next, choose the size of your droplet based on your resource requirements. Scroll down to configure your additional options. You can set up backups, monitoring, and additional volumes if needed. After selecting your options, click the Create Droplet button at the bottom. Once your droplet is created, you can access it from your dashboard. To deploy an application, navigate back to the Create button. Hover over it and select Apps from the drop-down menu. You will be guided through a series of steps to set up your application. Choose the source of your application, such as GitHub or a container registry. Connect your app's repository and configure any necessary settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.